So what up, gang? It's your boy Jupe. I'm back, guys, with another video. You know what I'm saying? So guys, here as you can see, guys, this is the strategy we just uploaded last 2 days. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see here, I got this pair right here. Which is a euro CHF. So if you can see here on 30-minute time frame, you can see that the currency is already on a strong buy, guys. Remember what I told you, guys. If you're using this strategy, you always buy the currency when the market reach at the level 8, and then you buy. The first take profit is this one right here, and the last take profit, which is this one right here. So as soon as the market already reach at that point, and you can see here on the chart, you can see that we got this confirmation candlestick. You can see everything, guys, right here. You know your boy, man. So this is how we do it. So listen, as soon as the market already reach here, now I'm gonna buy the currency so hard, because I'm going to swing all the way from here all the way to this point right here. So I'm gonna give the signal. I'm gonna give the signal to my team. Then let's get to the market. Let me first give the signal to my team, then I'll be able to come back and take my trade as well. All right, so I'm done giving the signal to my team. So now it's time for me to take my trade. You know, say, you know how we do. I have other trades which they are learning so crazy. So guys, you know how we do. You know how we do in a building, man. You know how we do in a building. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's keep going. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to join the free Telegram group, guys, the link is also on the description below. You must make sure you use a proper risk management in your account in order to keep going. Remember, guys, consistency is everything. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up, guys. You must keep pushing. As you can see, this account, we took it from 750 all the way to 2.8. So you know, this is our daily job, guys. We need to keep working hard. So let's keep working hard, guys. Let's keep working hard. 6 positions are fine for me. So as you can see here, guys, now it's going to be my stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss somewhere here, because always put your stop loss at the previous lower high. Lower high. If you're buying, you always supposed to put your stop loss at the lower high, and if you're selling, you always supposed to put your stop loss at lower low. So for this who doesn't have the strategy yet and they feel like they want to use the strategy, you can send me the message on Telegram. Ask me for the settings for the strategy, then I will send you straight away the settings for the strategy. But it's actually already in my channel. If you can check my previous video, you will see this strategy right here. And if you can't find it, just send me the message on Telegram. Just say like, I need settings for the strategy, then I'll send you the settings for the strategy straight away. You know what I'm saying? So to join a free Telegram group, the link is on description below, or if you want to send me the message, you can check the link on description below. So yeah, so let me first put my stop loss right here. The stop loss is going to be 0.94493. So I just gonna use 4493. 4493. 4493. The fire. So guys, as you can see, this one right here, this is going to be my stop loss right here. This one right here is going to be my stop loss. This one right here, So guys, if you didn't know how I take the trade using this strategy, this is how I do it. As you can see, as I told you guys, you can use this strategy from 30-minute time frame and 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 15-minute time frame. As you can see here, the reason for the entry, I like guys to make you guys understand, you can see that the market has been at this point, and it dropped, and at level 8 here we buy the currency. And the other thing, you can see that on the chart here, you can see that the market is already done give us the pullback. The pullback was done. As you can see here, you can see the confirmation candlesticks, and also you can see that we're coming from a strong buy. Now we're on our way to level 89, which means we're gonna get out at this point. Once the moving average reach at this point, then I'm gonna take my profit. So this is how the strategy works. And for this who been still asking, so you sell when it reach at this level 89.89, you sell the currency. And then once the market reach at this level here, you buy the currency all the way to this point. You take profit, it's always here. You know what I'm saying? So it's how it is. As you can see now, I already taken my entry, and I already put my stop loss, which I'm waiting for the market to give me some profit. My take profit is going to be at this point right here. You know what I'm saying? Here, this is going to be my my take profit. So let me just put the take profit as well. You can see guys still earning the losses, but it's how it is. You know what I'm saying? It's how it is. But at least I have some more earning the profit. I have some well, they are learning the profit. So let me just put my take profit. Then I forget about the market, because how I trade, this is how I trade guys. I don't scalp the market. I only take my position, put the stop loss, put the take profit, and walk away from the market. And that's what you need to do. You don't have to keep visiting your market in every single second. You're gonna end up find yourself trading your emotions, because your emotions, they might tell you like, yo, you're getting the loss, yo, please close this trade, it's gonna give you the loss. You know what I'm saying? So don't trade emotions. Take the trade. You need to know first the reason why you took the trade, and after you know that the reason why you put the trade, as long as you already put your stop loss and your take profit, walk out from the market, come back later. If the market went to your favor, you're gonna take the profit, and if the market didn't go to your favor, you gonna get lost, because we have two ways of making money. If you didn't lose, you win. It's how it is. But on top of that, you need to know what you're doing, and you need to make sure you are sure what you are doing. You know what I'm saying? So this is our work. So we have no fear, bro. Okay, 95.1 95.12.8 95.12.8. This is going to be my stop, my take profit, which I'm just gonna use the last three numbers, 12.8. 12.8. 12.8. If you don't know how to stop loss, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit. 12.8. 12.8. 25. No, it's not gonna work. I need to come back here and make sure. 95.139. 95.139. 95. 95.139. Modify. After that, you click here, modify. Boom. So I'm gonna do the same to all pairs. So now you can see, guys, that now you can see here that I already put my stop loss. Here is the stop loss. Here is the entry point. This is my take profit. Then now I'm done, which means I just gonna go away from the market. I'll come back later, you know what I'm saying? And you know, once you already done this, the market is, you're gonna find your market already drop your profit to your account. But as you can see, this is 1 to 2. You can see the space here. This is 1 to 2. I'm expecting to lose 1, this one, to gain 2 of this one. This is how you must do it. If you take a loss for $10, you must willing to make $30. But I'm sure that I'm going to make it from this market. I'm sure that I'm going to make the profit. And for this who've been asking how I take the trade, this is how I take the trade. This is the reason why I'm taking this trade. This strategy, guys, is amazing. This strategy right here, it might change your income from your account, because this I really love it. I really love it for sure. As you can see, also it's on uptrend. The market is on uptrend, which we following the trend. Also, is that this is another thing which is gonna help you make money in the market. You need to follow the trend. Always follow the trend. Do not against the trend, because you are not the one who is moving the market. So the market is it's being moved by big traders like banks, you know, stuff like that. So you need to follow them, you know. You need to follow them, because your money it's very small. It can't do any changes in the market. So yeah, you need to follow these people. Once they are buying, you also buying. Once they sell, you also sell. This is how it is. So as you can see here, we're trying to get to the profit. So let's keep waiting, guys. Let's keep waiting. So I'll hit you guys up later on. Once I hit the profit, I'll show you how much money we made from this market. Peace out. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I say subscribe. And if you want the video, the strategy, you can send me the message on Telegram. Then I'll be able to send you the strategy straight away. Peace out.